This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to open a Trading 212 account. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your trading journey, having a reliable platform is essential. Trading 212 offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of options for both beginners and experienced traders. Let's dive in and get your account set up in no time. First, you'll want to access the Trading 212 platform. You can either visit the Trading 212 website on your computer or download the Trading 212 app on your smartphone. Both options give you the same functionality, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're there, look for the button that says either Open Account or Sign Up. This is your gateway to starting your trading experience. After clicking on Open Account or Sign Up, you'll be prompted to choose your country. This step is crucial because it ensures that your account settings comply with your local regulations and trading laws. Once you've selected your country, you'll need to choose the type of account you wish to open. Trading 212 offers different account types, such as Invest or CFD. If you're unsure about which type to choose, consider what kind of trading activities you plan to pursue. The Invest account is generally suitable for those interested in long-term investments, while the CFD account is more tailored for active traders looking to leverage their trades. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. Jotting down your login details in a secure place is always a good idea, so you don't risk getting locked out later. Now comes the identity verification process. This is a standard procedure required by most financial platforms to ensure security and compliance with legal standards. You'll be asked to enter some personal information, and you'll need to upload the necessary documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. This might seem a bit tedious, but it's essential for safeguarding your account and ensuring that you're the rightful owner. Once you've submitted all the required information, Trading 212 will verify your account. Verification time can vary, but it usually doesn't take too long. You'll receive a notification once your account has been successfully verified. With your account set up and verified, the next step is to deposit funds. Trading 212 offers various methods for depositing money into your account, so choose the one that works best for you. After your deposit is complete, you're all set to start exploring the platform and making your first trades. And there you have it. That's how you open a Trading 212 account. Now you're ready to dive into the world of trading with a platform that's both intuitive and robust. Happy trading!